Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode where we delve into the fascinating world of information technology. And today, we'll be talking about the intriguing era of artificial intelligence. There's no denying it. We're living in the age of artificial intelligence, where machines are getting smarter and our lives are becoming more streamlined. But how did we get here? Well, it all started in the mid-20th century, when a group of scientists began to theorize about a future where machines could mimic human intelligence. Fast forward to today and voila, we have Siri, Alexa, and many other AI technologies that we interact with daily. Now I know what you're thinking, but Julian, isn't AI a bit scary? Well, you're not entirely wrong, but let's not forget that our smartphones were once considered terrifyingly advanced. Look how that turned out. Just remember, the key to understanding and embracing new technology is education. The more you learn about AI, the less intimidating it becomes. So, let's dig into the nitty-gritty. Artificial intelligence essentially falls into two categories: narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks, like recommending songs on Spotify, and general AI, which can theoretically perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Currently, we're still very much in the realm of narrow AI, but who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day, your toaster will be able to discuss the nuances of Shakespearean drama with you over breakfast. Now don't worry, I'm not suggesting that we're on the brink of a robot uprising, at least not yet, but it's crucial to stay informed about the developments in this field. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to transportation, and even entertainment. It's an exciting time to be alive, folks. But here's the catch. As AI continues to evolve, so must we. It's not enough to simply understand how these technologies work. We must also adapt our skills to thrive in this new landscape. For those in IT, this might mean learning new programming languages or understanding complex algorithms. For those in other fields, it might mean learning to work collaboratively with AI technologies. In summary, we're living in an age where machines are becoming increasingly intelligent. This can be a little scary, but with the right knowledge and skills, we can not only survive but thrive in this new era. So keep learning, stay curious, and remember that the future is as exciting as it is unknown. And remember, if your computer starts acting up, maybe it just needs a little therapy. After all, it's got a hard drive. Thanks for joining me today, folks. Stay tuned for our next deep dive into the world of IT. As always, keep laughing and keep learning. Now, let's take a moment to talk about something that might give you chills: the incredible capabilities of new AI models, such as GPT-3. This isn't your everyday AI, folks. GPT-3 can generate human-like text that is so convincing you'd be forgiven for thinking it was written by a person. But that's not all. AI is now creating art, composing music, and even generating ideas that push the boundaries of what we once thought was only possible by humans. It's a brave new world we're stepping into, folks. One where the line between human and machine is becoming increasingly blurred. But as with all powerful tools, they come with their own set of ethical implications and potential risks. We'll delve deeper into these in our future videos. Stay curious, stay informed, and above all, stay human.